Hello, kids. Welcome to a new learning adventure.
Circle is round, like the sun. Circle is fun. It's number 1.
Square has 4 sides, all the same. Window, box, and a frame.
Triangle has 3 sides. See? Like a mountain, tall and free.
Rectangle is long and wide, like a door come inside.
Red, blue, yellow, green. Brightest colors ever seen. Mix them, play and learn. Everywhere colors turn.
Shapes and colors make life bright. Learning them is pure delight. Rush, play, dance, and sing. Education is a magic thing.